We are KS Management. Leaders, innovators, and community builders who harness the power of technology to confidently guide your community association into the future. With 80 years of combined experience and glowing reviews, our state-of-the-art headquarters stands as a symbol of our polish and commitment to excellence. We offer a variety of services that are tailored to the needs of your specific community, from financial-only management to full community management, partnering with businesses that support your community through landscaping and maintenance. As we vet vendors, perform inspections, make recommendations, and give guidance, we are always working in the best interest of each association that we manage. Our dedication to being your premier association management company is endless. We proudly hold the highest level of accreditation for management companies, the AAMC, which highlights our commitment to education for our staff, board members, and community members. Whether we've worked together for 20 years or it's your first time hearing about us, we want to welcome you to the KS Management family. We care about our communities and lead with integrity and transparency. Give us a call today at 734-285-4442 or learn more about us at ksmanagementservices.com. Let us show you how KS cares.